Welcome to D&E's Cooking Classroom. I'm Ed.
I'm Dante, and today on our episode we have a beautiful side salad.
Yes, we're making a side salad today with a baby spring mix with a mixture of olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette with a little bit of salt, diced tomatoes, and on top crumbled goat cheese. It's going to be delicious.
Sounds so good.
It's a great salad for any dinner party you can throw or any guests you have over, or just for a regular Tuesday night. It's a great addition to add greens to your diet.
I love this as well because what if you want to have a Tuesday afternoon lunch? You can top some salmon off with it.
Well, let's get started cooking, buddy.
Let's do it. And then once we finish with that, take a couple pieces here. I like them nice and chunky, I like to put it in my mouth with a little salt and pepper. I love tomatoes. Who doesn't love tomatoes?
The reason I chose to make this salad today is I'm not much of a vegetable eater myself. I don't eat a lot of greens. The only greens I really do eat is out of necessity and knowing they're good for my health. But I'll tell you, this salad really is one that I love. It's a bunch of different great flavors. You got tomatoes, you got goat cheese, you got a little bit of olive oil, and I'm normally not even a balsamic kind of guy. I'm more of a ranch blue cheese type, but this balsamic, really, it all just meshes together in a wonderful symphony of flavors. So we're going to start by taking the lettuce, throwing it in your little bowl here. So we start off with the olive oil. This is not a traditional precise recipe. You're going to be putting into taste and preference. I prefer a mixture, about a 50-50 mixture of the balsamic and the olive oil. Maybe even a slight mixture towards the olive oil because I prefer the little sweet taste to it. Then you add in a little bit of Himalayan pink salt or any type of salt that you prefer. Now I like to mix up at that point the salad so that it gets all the flavor of the dressing in there. Gets it all distributed evenly. Then you want to add in your tomatoes. Now we did 2 tomatoes because we really like tomatoes here, but you could always just do 1 tomato or a half tomato or 3 tomatoes, whatever preference you have in tomatoes. And then what really kicks this salad up to another level is the goat cheese. Adds a good bit of tart flavor to the salad. I know it sounds counterintuitive, and that's how you make the goat cheese tomato balsamic salad.